Good evening, you're on CNN, you're watching the breaking news. Today, the tricky Austin case outcome could surprise everyone. Several months after the tragic murder of the Senator McTell's wife, the trial, which was taking place today, was supposed to confirm the guilt of the accused, Juan Antonio Rodriguez. Employed as a gardener by the couple, he had a secret affair with Mrs. Jody McTeller, the murdered senator's wife. A series of pieces of evidence showed him as a likely murderer, and as a result, the mission of the 9 judges of the Criminal Appeals Court is about the revision of the case in order to confirm or not the death penalty. A decision imposed by the first instance trial judges Kissinger. In Texas, the court decisions in murder cases are particularly stiff, in accordance with the conservative tradition. In spite of the apparent culpability of the accused, exception is being brought to the man beyond suspicion in this case. Senator McTeller, considered by everyone as a loving husband, determined to find who the culprit was, is turning out to be that culprit. The turning point in this course of the present retrial has been what the court was told by the lawyer asking for the accused, who can now be seen as the fake culprit. Thanks to a tape from an anonymous video monitoring of the McTeller's home, showing a man on the way out to carrying a blood-drenched knife. He was looking disorientated, dressing with a long black coat and wearing a black hat, as if not wanted to be recognized. It would indeed be scandalous for Senator McTeller and his career if the judges established a link between him and the man. The culpability could track him down and push him to erase the name of the American political system. Furthermore, this pending retrial raises once again the immunity issue of the senators and more generally politicians, as well as the issue of miscarriage of justice in the American judicial system and the quality of that system. Thank you for your attention. You were on CNN. Have a good night.